One of the first things my instructor told me was skydiving is about not giving up. And I thought to myself, that doesn't make any sense. Skydiving to me was supposed to be about courage, adrenaline, and maybe a degree of insanity. My ego was already into the I know better state until 3 days and 3 jumps later when I hit a proverbial brick wall. Going to a different country to become a skydiver got me some attention from my peers. People reacted to me like I was doing something bold. I felt like a hero for a little bit, and my ego was well fed by the attention I was receiving. It also meant that there was no version of this where I quietly came back without finishing. But then again, I thought to myself, how hard can this be? I am brave, I love heights, I love being on a plane, so I'll probably get through this without even breaking a sweat. So when my instructor told me skydiving is about not giving up, I barely registered it, not knowing that I was about to be proven wrong sooner than I thought. I thought I was special. The first jump was quite decent. Given that it was my absolute first, that put me in a safe mindset, as I had no idea what to expect. We wrapped up the day and I was hyped, couldn't wait to tell all my buddies about how brave I am. But there was something I didn't account for. This time I knew exactly what it felt like, and it was terrifying. I never said it out loud, but I wanted badly for this to be over. It was the third day when everything hit me all together. When you're in the drop zone, you don't feel like a hero anymore, as everyone is far better than you, so you roll back into the stumbling student place. The progression is simple in nature. If you strip away the free-falling elements, there are tiny elements one needs to improve from jump to jump to be successful. I had reached a point where no one was impressed by my mere presence, and it was time to deliver. I can't fully understand why, but I got stuck at level 2. My mind, in theory, understood what needed to be done, but my body just refused to comply. The first time I failed, although disappointed, I made peace with it, but the second time, it hit me really hard. What if I'm not cut out for this? I knew I failed right away when I opened my parachutes, and a part of me wished I had died before landing so I didn't have to face this. I feel like this is something many people get to experience, feeling that just the willingness to do something hard deserves a medal in itself. Then you hit an unexpected wall and are faced with a difficult choice. In all truthfulness, we can all come up with the brightest excuses. This is too dangerous. I will do some other time. I am not in the best emotional space. Or, my personal favorite, this is not my thing. Alternatively, you can take the hard way and finish what you started. So, when you face that choice, what are you going to do?